Jyoti, a rather unusual one on our list. We've got Viceroy Hotels. In fact, JP Morgan, the arm is likely to buy about 49% in Viceroy Hotels unit.
Yeah, good morning, Shivani and Avan. JP Morgan has acquired 49% equity stake for an investment of 74 crore rupees in the Bangalore Health subsidiary of this company. So there is not the news of likely acquisition, but they have already acquired this much stake. Now remember, this company is a 205 crore rupee company, and a 74 crore rupee investment is quite big for this small stock. We saw the stock declining in trade on Tuesday by about 4%, and just seconds after this news came out yesterday, this was about some time before market closing, the stock went up about 5%, which is quite an exponential rise in the intraday graph for a small cap stock like this. So for a short period of time, this looks like a good stock to watch out for, and even today actually.
All right, a quick recap at good costs rising, but on the sales picture really looking good.
Absolutely. The sales numbers in fact came out yesterday. The global sales numbers up 39% year on year. The CV sales are up 53% year on year, and global passenger vehicle sales up 53% again, and Jaguar Land Rover March sales up 43% year on year. On Monday, the stock ended down about 3.5% in trade, but it improved on Tuesday from those lows by about 2%. And we saw the upward momentum continue on Thursday, that is yesterday, after the sales numbers came out. In fact, even before the sales numbers came out, the stock was trading at an average of 790 rupees. Eventually, it closed flat, but the auto sector has, as we all know, has been consistently outperforming the markets. It's a very strong stock in the auto sector. If you even compare it to its competitors, revenues in the last quarters were seen at 8,979 crore rupees compared to Ashok Leyland revenues at 1,815 crore rupees, and Escorts and BEML around 600 to 7 crore rupees range. So this is a very strong stock in this sector, and after the news that came out yesterday, today it looks like it will perform well in trade.
All right, and the other stocks that are likely to perform well in trade, the first one, Triveni Energy. You've got Standard Industries on your radar. It seems to have got a bulk deal of quite a significant number of shares, but not really being reflected on the stock yesterday.
No, Avan, the stock in fact was trading at a 52-week high yesterday. It locked on circuit on Tuesday and yesterday. In fact, it ended down about 3%, but it did lock in circuit on Tuesday and yesterday. There was a bulk deal of 2.6 lakh shares at 51 rupees per share, and another bulk deal of 1.2% equity last week that we saw. It's been on circuit the last 4 days last week. Stock has doubled since March 2010. There's just too much action going on for a small stock like this with a market cap of 318 crore rupees. So one stock definitely to watch out for in trade today.